Annapolis inventory for sale is up 47% year over year. It's Friday, September 19th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Home prices are up 3.6% year over year, and days before contract rose to 26 days, up from 20 days last September. That means homes are on the market 6 days longer this report, but prices are up. This report, homes available for sale are up to 233 units at a median $699,999, with 6 of these making a 4.6% price reduction over the past week. 11 homes are coming soon. 37 homes went under contract in 9 days with a median list price of $599,999. 21 homes sold for 96.6% list to sold ratio in 7 days with a median sales price of $585,000. 11 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $590,000 sales price in 5 days. 7 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $670,000 in 48 days. 3 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $520,000 in 45 days. There are 56 homes for lease at $3,200 median dollars per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 19th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.